I'm already half because I love to I need people to doing that for the local foundation and the local hospital, but I also do freelancing, and I will.
That's another business in itself. But if I were to create only one business, let's say in, I don't know, 20 years when I'll be 50, what's one business?
You were like, well, it would be great if someone do organization or the agency, so I'm doing it because I can see it's needed, so I'm going to start my own marketing agency, and I will probably have all the freelancers that I know.
Who want to start working as freelancers?
Stop talking in terms of tools, start talking in terms of what you can do. Talk in terms of what a brand understands. Editor, I'm a content creator now. Start it. I'm not saying start it as I did, because my bio says generated over 1.5 billion views in under 2 years for brands all over the world. If you're gonna stick with that, selling yourself as an expert and selling yourself as someone that actually the brand needs, and you grind it out, your skills on the other side, you'll be just fine.
Сакам да ви кажам дека овој настан немаше за случај ако немаме компании кои што не поддржуваат ово што правиме. И да размислуваат за третиот стол за нивното физиско штедење и мислиме дека ќе направиме промена. Тоа значи дека сакам да ви помогнам говорниците од првиот панел, дека живееме во инстантно време кога сакаме се сега веднаш и ако може и од еднината да земеме, да го потребиле денес. Меѓутоа, тоа не е така и ќе биде касно кога ќе треба навистина да ги уживаме резултатите од своето работење.